Hello everyone, welcome to this learning session on Vaccine Vial Monitors, which are also known as VVM. So we'll understand in this video that what they are, how to interpret them, and why they are very crucial for the vaccine safety in the cold chain. Vaccine Vial Monitor. It is a small label which contains a heat sensitive material and it is being placed on the vaccine vial to register the cumulative heat exposure over a period of time. VVM has two components. One is the inner square that is heat sensitive and the outer circle which is made for the reference. The location of the VVM will depend upon the type of vaccine. For the multi-dose vial can be used across the multiple session. The VVM is placed permanently on the label. Single use or the session limited vaccine, the VVM may be seen either on the flip top of the vaccine or on the neck of the ampule so that it is only visible before the vial is being opened. While for the multi-dose vial, it is being permanently placed on the label. The combined effects of time and temperature cause the inner square of the VVM to gradually darken and the changes are irreversible. VVM indicates the efficiency of cold chain. What cold chain means? The maintenance of adequate temperature of vaccine, that is 2 to 8 degrees centigrade from the manufacturer and during the transportation till the point of use. So because VVM and the vaccine, they both move through the supply chain together, it gives a visual warning to the potentially damaging cumulative heat exposure and it indicates to the health worker that the vaccine that can be used or cannot be used depending upon the status of vaccine vial monitor. Does a vaccine vial monitor measure the vaccine potency? Then the answer is no. The VVM does not directly measure the vaccine potency, but it gives information about the main factor that affects the potency, that is the heat exposure over a period of time. And the important thing is it does not register the information about freezing. It means it is only registering the gradual exposure to the heat. To interpret the vaccine vial monitor, we can use the vaccine if the square is lighter than the outer circle. If the color of the square either matches with or it is more darker as compared to the outer circle, we cannot use the vaccine. So when the color of the square matches with the outer circle, it is known as the discard point. There are 4 types of VVM based upon the heat stability of vaccine. VVM 2, 7, 14 and 30. So the stability of the vaccine increases as the number increases. So VVM number, it is the time in days vial is exposed to a constant temperature of 37 degrees centigrade. So these number represent the number of days that is taken by the inner square to reach the color which indicates a discard point. And discard point is the point at which the color of the square matches with the color of the outer circle. VVM 2 and 7 will be placed on the vaccine which are highly heat sensitive, and the VVM 14 and 30 will be placed on the vaccine which are less heat sensitive. So in summary, VVM is not a substitute for the expiry date. Along with the VVM, we also have to check the expiry date of the vaccine on the cumulative heat exposure, not on the instantaneous spikes. Third point is does not detect the freezing. Vaccine vial monitor ensures that the heat damaged vaccine are not administered.